everyone, the first ingredient to make snow cream is the actual snow. More?
Yeah, fill it up, buddy.
Uh-huh.
So we're gonna fill it up here. We don't really have a certain amount. It's a smaller bowl, it's not very big, but we've had this bowl out here for about an hour, just letting it get cool off, and we're gonna see where it goes.
Up there?
Fill it all the way up.
Fill it all the way up, buddy.
Out there?
All the way up.
Do as best you can.
All right, last one. There you go, it's good.
Hey,
All right, pick your bowl up. Give me the spoon. Pick your bowl up.
Hey, I just need to do it.
You can stand by.
Okay.
Go stand by.
Go stand by him, June. All right, so now we're gonna go inside and for the next ingredient. All right, the next step, we're gonna add some condensed milk, probably a 14-ounce thing, but we've got a smaller bowl, so it's probably gonna take all of it. So we're just gonna slowly mix it in. Pour a little bit in, Jet, and mix it in.
Okay. That much?
Okay, stir it in there. Stir some in. But you're gonna stir.
I am. I didn't think it would be like this.
It's froze.
Probably.
You want me to do it for a minute?
You can do some more, but
Dump some more in there.
Oh.
Baby sister's eating the ice cream herself.
I think she likes it too. Stop.
I got y'all some bowls right there. It'll go straight into the bowl when we're done here. Just
I love it.
all right. After you get it stirred down, it kind of starts to look like real ice cream, as you can see. We're gonna put some in a bowl. Hang on, Jet. Don't eat it out of there. We're gonna put some in a bowl. What's up, Miley dog? We're gonna put some in a bowl, and we're gonna try it and see how it goes. All right, now we're gonna try it and see how it goes, Jet. I'll let you try it first, bud.
Okay. It looks like ice cream. Can my iPad? It's hard. It's starting to melt. Oh no, Melly, it's that.
Come on, Jet. Get you some.
It's. Good. Good.
Does it taste like ice cream?
Yeah.
Okay.
You try some.
So we didn't put any vanilla extract in it. All we put was snow and condensed milk. So we'll catch y'all next time. Enjoy this beautiful snow day outside, and everybody stay safe and warm. See y'all.